In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn the comments off in Figma. Now, these can be comments either left by you or by another person that is working on the project at the same time with you. Comments can be quite annoying sometimes because they can be in the way, and ideally you don't really want to move them away because that can make things messy and confusing. So it's just easier to hide them. But how do you actually go ahead and do that? What you want to do is simply zoom out from the existing frame where the project is. So in this case, it's this black rectangle here. When you zoom out, what you want to do is click on the white background here outside of the initial frame, and then you'll see the show slash hide comments section. Click on that, and as you can see, the comments have now disappeared. Now we can also use the shortcut, which is Shift and C. This will either turn the comments on or turn them off, and it's just a super easy way to toggle them off or toggle them on, depending on what you need. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about removing comments in Figma. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help.